What does it take to be incredibly innovative? Introducing the OISLE, Magsafe compatible wireless power bank. Snaps to your phone with or without a cover. We created an absolutely captivating design and experience with it. Charging made to look good. The world's first magnetic wireless power bank designed specifically for iPhone 12 series. It's small, it's compact, it's powerful. No matter what time or place, it charges your device worry-free, wire-free. Leaves your phone ready before you are. That's OISLE Magsafe compatible magnetic power bank, the most advanced compact power bank ever.